以后,然后,后来. So these three words are all used for expressing sequence in time or expressing order, but they have very distinct usages, and it's pretty easy to get them mixed up when you're just starting out. So today, let's talk about how to correctly use 以后,然后, and 后来. Let's start off with 然后. 然后 can be translated into and then in English, and it is a conjunction word. So therefore, it is always used in a sequence. And a very common sentence pattern you'll see this in is 先等等等,然后等等等, meaning first blah 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 and then blah blah blah. Now, 以后 and 后来 cannot be used this way.
我们先洗衣服，然后去买菜。先加醋，然后撒点糖。我在楼下等你。然后我们一起走，直着走，然后在红绿灯往左转。
Okay, let's talk about 以后. Now, 以后 can be translated in two ways. The first one meaning in the future, and the second one meaning after. So let's talk about the first one first. When 以后 is translated as in the future, we are talking about an unspecified point in time, in the future. And this is unique to 以后 because 后来 and 然后 cannot be used like this.
他以后想在日本工作。以后我要买个好车。
Now, if we're going to use 以后 to mean after, we could be talking either in detail, like a specific time or date, or talking in a broader context, such as an action, event, or occurrence. And in this case, 以后 would come after the specific time or date, or event, or occurrence.
5点以后我有时间。我2个小时以后下班。毕业以后他回老家了。他来中国以后认识了我。
Finally, we have arrived at 后来. 后来 can be translated as afterwards, and it is used to talk about events that have already occurred in the past. And the structure for using 后来 is past event 1, 后来 past event 2. Pretty straightforward.
他们俩天天吵架，后来分手了。我这次考试没考好，后来被妈妈骂了。我们先买菜，然后再去接姐姐。上次她说她要来，后来她没来。以后你得学会做饭。That is all for this video. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please don't hesitate to gently tap the like button or follow me on Instagram for daily mini lessons. If you made it this far, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.